Jamaica. Finally. It's been a journey to get here. Child, we had to take a plane from Fort Lauderdale to Kingston, and then from Kingston to a 3-hour ride with our private driver to Montego Bay. Let me do a quick room tour. All right, closet space with the iron. This slides, blanket, more hangers, and a safe, and a spot for shoes, I guess. Here's the bathroom, double sink, toilet, towels, shower, the hair dryer. Then coming over to the bed. Oh wait, before we get there, looks like we're supposed to have some alcohol dispensers, but there is none, I guess because of COVID. Hand sanitizers, a coffee maker, and a mini fridge. We have a full-length mirror here, a giant bed. I don't know if they even do doubles. I thought they did, but it looks like me and my friend are sleeping together, which is fine. Suitcase, little hanger spot, drawers. I already put all my junk here. I need to clean this up. But my little day-to-day things. A TV, some artwork. All right, first shot of the trip. We don't know what this is. But happy birthday. Good? This is a big shot. It's a big shot. No, you're not. Don't do this. Don't do this. We got me tipsy off of wine and shots.
No, you mixing.
Well, I am mixing. Like I said, the first time on vacation, I always try to get like, Here's the beach that we're at right now. It's sunset. So it's super, super pretty. This is pretty. Hold on, I gotta take a picture too. I'm peeing right now. This is so beautiful, y'all. I'm so glad. Like, I feel like the luckiest person in the world. I feel like I say this every single time I travel. I go to Mexico in February. I had a chance to go to Mexico in February. I felt like the luckiest person in the world, my best friend. I got to go to Belize with some of my favorite friends from college. College was a whole entire, like, 10 years ago. Friends I interned with back there. I gotta be... This is good. It is a blessing. It's a blessing to have consistency. It's a blessing to have consistent friends. If you don't have some day ones, get some day ones. It's okay if you have day twos as well. Just get some friends. Just took a shower. The time is like 7:30, so I'm going to iron this yellow dress. And yellow's what we're supposed to be wearing tonight. As you know, everything's COVID, so you wear a mask. They won't serve you at the bar without a mask. Fully vaccinated or not, they do not care, as they should not care. They need to look out for themselves. They need to look out for their people. Wear a mask when you come here, even to the bars, even inside the pools at the bars. Wear a mask. You just say how I have all my favorite people here in yellow. Down to it.
Grown woman speech.
A grown woman speech? I did that at my 30th. I did that at my birthday party.
Let's hear it. Okay. The book start growing.
So I've been 30 for 2 days now, 3 days now.
Okay.
I had a surprise party from my very wonderful boyfriend. I did not know. All my favorite people got to celebrate all my favorite people on the 31st. And I got to celebrate my other special people that travel across the country to be with me on my 30th birthday. I'll never get this day back, you know, so it feels good. We're going to have a good time this weekend. I'm excited. I'm kind of tipsy right now. I need some water. After being bullied, I'll take a second shot.
Less talking, more shot taking. Thank you.
You shot good. Ooh, girl, let's
Have a sip of your water.
Oh my God, you need some water.
First night in Jamaica, and it's ending like this. It's ending like this. Good morning, world. Day 2 of Jamaica. We're gonna go get some breakfast and then we are going to do the catamaran to Dunn's River's Fall. If I said that right, which I probably didn't. But yeah, let's go eat.
I'm really out here.
We just snorkeled.
Got a nice little sinus clearing.
We swallowed so much water. It's not the private catamaran that we thought it was gonna be. This is fun. They play music and blase blase. So, you know, all is well.
How you feeling? Shout out to your friends back home.
I'm gonna shout out my friend Shay over here celebrating her flirty 30. Hey!
Yeah.
Not flirty, 30.
Name?
My name is Jay.
Where you from?
Florida.
Hey, what you want to say to your friends, family back home?
Happy birthday to me.
Oh, okay. Happy birthday to you guys. All right. Hey, what's your name?
Well, I was gonna go with Bonnie, but since somebody stole it, I'll go with Von Von.
Van Van. Hey, you enjoying it, Van Van?
Yes.
Shout
birthday.
out something to your friends back home.
Happy birthday to me.
Oh my God. Oh.
Even the word right now. Like, I'm so tired. It's only 9 o'clock. Today we did the catamaran, which was not private, but it's okay. It was still a good time. Like a giant catamaran over to Dunn's River, kind of all the way to Dunn's River, as you saw. And then we took the boat back, and I was seasick on the way back. The waves were like crazy. But came here and ate dinner at the buffet. I know y'all gonna ask how food is here. The buffet food is pretty good. I mean, I haven't had a bad meal there yet. I mean, it's on my second time eating there. The Italian restaurant was not good, but you know what? I'm not gonna fault a whole bunch of Jamaicans for not really knowing how to cook dang Italian, you know? So tomorrow's another full day. My friend Yvonne booked me and her on this excursion for like a birthday gift. So I guess we're going ATV riding. I actually don't know what we're doing. I was just told to bring dry clothes. I don't know. I think it is ATV and something else. So super excited. Just full day. So as you can see, my eyes are closing. I'm so tired. So, cause I only had like a couple hours of sleep last night. But yeah, day 2. See you in the morning. Oh God! I want to hit this foot. But this is definitely the scariest.